Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay! Catherine, say yay!
Yay!
Say, Catherine, say happy birthday!
Sing! I don't think I'm singing.
Catherine, you say tractor?
She just said it. I don't think she's going to say it again.
You don't think she'll say it again? Okay, Willie, what else do you want to tell Grandma Sue?
Minnie.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, girl.
And say miss you and love you.
I'm sorry, love you.
Okay. Okay, no more. Alright, now what do you get for singing happy birthday?
Chocolate milk.
Alright.